Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If it is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss any video. Let's start today's video. Today I'm going to share you another awesome product. Introducing the new Urban Traveler Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Headphones by Dyplay. It comes with a wireless Bluetooth headphone, audio cable, charging cable, carrying pouch, and user manual. It provides stable connection with Bluetooth 5.0, and with 1 hour charging, it provides 22 hours playtime. With advanced technology, you can enjoy low latency, good fault tolerance, and high sound quality. No stuffy for ear, covered with gel, more comfortable with soft ear pads. Foldable design and 90-degree swiveling rotatable ear cups. Stay focused on your favorite tunes during long trips on a plane, subway, bus, or a busy office. Product link is in description. Go check it out. Tell me your feedback in the description, and before leaving, please hit the subscribe button and press bell notification icon so that you never miss any updates. See you next time.